Welcome to the CZI instructional video. This video will introduce you to the use of the FS32. Click to display hovering dialog window on the right side of the figure below, which can display the current connected load information. Recording broadcasting, click the record broadcasting button, select click to speak, then it will start to record the sound. Click to end the recording, it will generate the audio file, then click the broadcasting button. You can hear the sound recorded just now to play out through the broadcasting. Click on the function switch, switch the function of the broadcasting to live broadcasting, click to speak. The broadcasting will broadcast the contents while speaking. Text to speech broadcasting. Input text, click the broadcast button. You can convert the text into speech to play. In the built-in PSDK interface, you can also select the dialect and speed of speech. You can also adjust the volume, loop playback, and playback, start, or pause in this interface. Gimbal light control switch. Click to expand the list of gimbal light control buttons. There are three options: light on, light off, flashing mode. Click to trigger the corresponding gimbal light status. Tap to trigger the corresponding status of the desk lamp. You can realize specific angle control of the gimbal light. Turn the gimbal light left by 90 degrees. Turn the gimbal light right by 90 degrees. Turn the gimbal light angle to the right. Turn the gimbal light angle to the bottom. And turn the gimbal light angle back to the center. Click on the cloud desk lamp tilt angle adjustment. This button will expand the slider after clicking. The initial position of the slider is 50 in the center, which represents the meaning that the position of the gimbal light is centered vertically. Sliding a certain value upward, the angle of the gimbal light will rotate upward, and sliding downward will rotate the angle of the gimbal light downward. Click on the cloud desk lamp yaw angle adjustment. This button will expand the slider after clicking. The initial position of the slider is 50 in the center, which represents the meaning that the position of the gimbal light is centered horizontally. Sliding a certain value downward, the angle of the gimbal light will be turned to the left, and sliding upward, the angle of the gimbal light will be turned to the right. Click on the live broadcasting to switch to live broadcasting state, then click on the broadcasting recording function. It will become live broadcasting. This function should be used in conjunction with the recording function. PSDK built-in menu. After clicking on it, the following figure is displayed. Display live data switch, click to open. Display information hovering dialog window, click to close. The hovering dialog window disappears. Speech rate. Including a total of 5 speech rate options: very slow, slow, normal, fast, very fast. Language, it supports many dialects currently: Mandarin female version, Mandarin male version, Henan, Shanxi, Sichuan, Cantonese, Hunan, Northeastern, Standard English. Cyclic playback. Click to open the cyclic playback. At the moment, audio playback and text-to-speech will turn into cyclic playback mode. The recording function doesn't support cyclic playback. Broadcasting angle. The initial value is set to 60. After sliding the slider bar, the pitch angle 0 to 90 degrees of the shouting device will be changed according to the sliding. The slider percentage 0 to 90% will be changed according to the slider percentage 0 to 90%. The slider percentage greater than 90% is equal to 90% by default. Broadcasting volume. The initial value is set to 30, which can be changed by the slider. Gimbal light brightness. The initial value is set to 10, which represents the gimbal light brightness level. Audio switch and play buttons. Previous, next, play, stop. First open the hovering dialog window. You can see the current audio name. Click the next to switch the audio, and then click play. Play audio, click stop. To stop playing the next time you click play, will start from the beginning. Delete current audio. Clicking on this will delete the audio file currently displayed in the hovering dialog window. It cannot be recovered after deletion unless the audio is re-imported to the SD card. Detailed information. After clicking on it, the floating window displays the SN number of the currently connected load as well as the firmware version number. Unlock dropping system. The interface is shown as below. If the dropping system is locked, the throwing button cannot be used. You can click on the unlock button to throw, or click on the lock button to prevent accidental touching. Throwing. It needs to be unlocked before using. Clicking it once will make a throwing. It can be clicked several times until all the hooks are loosened. At this time, the dropping system needs to be reset manually before it can be used again. PSDK built-in menu. Gimbal light brightness. The initial value is set to 10, which represents the gimbal light brightness level. The button is synchronized with the external interface unlock button. The left side of the button is for locked status, and the right side of the button is for unlocked status. It needs to be unlocked before using. Clicking it once will make a throwing. It can be clicked several times until all the hooks are loosened. At this time, the dropping system needs to be reset manually before it can be used again. Detailed information. After clicking on it, the floating window displays the SN number of the currently connected load and the firmware version number.